Righto, so Franken wagon, meet the Franken Rhino. So I got 100 R100 front end, R100 front rim, tubeless, on a standard R1200GS hub. Didn't have to change the spokes or anything, so the spokes are from the R100. I'm yet to find like at full compression if that tyre touches the bash plate there. My gut feeling says I've got to bash that bash plate in a bit just to give it clearance. It sits, yeah, it doesn't feel, the bike used to feel a bit low in the front end to me. So now it feels better. And I've ridden it on the sand. It's given me more confidence on the sand already. Yeah, pretty happy with it. Do I need a rear end with forks, like with spokes? The thing is, the rear wheel with spokes is heavier, but I think the spoked front end is actually a little bit lighter. I've got to weigh that. So yeah, a slightly modified R1200GS and a slightly modified Mercedes G-Wagon, which I've spent many years working with. This thing's got a whole lot of stories to it. Just been sold, actually.